With best-in-class interior space and creative design, the 2016 Hyundai Accent gives you big things in a small package. With its 111.3 cubic feet of space and fold-down second-row seating, loading and unloading is easier than ever. Whether you're transporting friends or cargo, the Accent gives you more room than any other subcompact. Plus, with its 38 miles per gallon highway, the Accent gives you better fuel economy than the competition. The Accent's Vehicle Stability Management System offers you safety on all sides by combining motor-driven power steering with electronic stability and traction control. And with 6 standard airbags, you'll be driving with complete peace of mind. When it comes to technology, the Accent is just smarter than the rest. With its steering wheel mounted controls and integrated smartphone and Bluetooth features, you get a driving experience that's more hands-free and convenient. Get everything you need in a subcompact and more in the 2016 Hyundai Accent. So schedule a test drive of your very own at CarPro's Renton Hyundai today.